Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I present to you my very first tutorial. I've never done a tutorial before. I always get asked how I do my hair. So today I'm actually going to an event that's for a hair product, and I was like, you know what? I will shoot like a hair tutorial slash get ready with me video as I get ready for this event. Disclaimer, I am by no means a hair expert. So I actually, for a long time, was really bad at curling my hair. I was a backup singer with my friend Leanne V, and when we were on tour together, Leanne preferred wearing her hair curly, and the artist we worked for basically said, I don't care how you wear your hair as long as you match. So Leanne suggested that we switch it up and wear our hair curly for a couple shows, but I told her, you know, I'm really bad at curling my hair, and she just said, you know, girl, I got you, I'll do it for you. And so I never really like learned how to properly curl my hair because Leanne would always just do it for me. And then even when we would go out, like if I wanted to wear my hair curly, she would just curl it for me. So I was just like, okay, whatever, I don't need to learn. And she's actually the one who taught me the technique I'm going to show to you today. She actually learned this from someone who did her hair, and she just kind of like passed the tip along to me. It's super easy, super fast, because I'm pretty low maintenance when it comes to doing my hair and makeup. I don't like to take a lot of time. If you notice, usually I don't have like full beat face, full glam face. It's very natural. I mean, today I have eyeliner, which is not an everyday thing for me, but I'm going to an event, so I thought I'd wear a little bit more than usual. I'm gonna show you how I get my wavy hair. First things first, usually when I wear my hair curly, it's dirty, or not dirty, but it's not freshly washed. I actually dyed my hair last night, so today my hair is spotless. It's very sparkly clean. The reason why I like my hair to be maybe 2 days post-wash is because my hair holds style better. My event is in a couple hours, so I'll probably have to touch it up before I go because my hair doesn't hold curl very well when it's clean. It holds way better when it's a little dirty, but today it's real clean, so I'm gonna have to touch up before I go. But obviously first, take your hair down. Since my hair is real clean, I do this even when it's dirty, I like to start, I spray some of this in my hair. I love this brand, it's called Way. It smells really good. Both of my products that I have here today are from Way. This is the wave spray. Even when my hair is dirty, I still do this step, but I'll spray it in my hair to kind of add a little extra texture before I start putting the wand to my hair. So let's go. Gotta get the top part and the insides just saturated in some wave spray, and then I kind of like to shake it in there a little bit. Ooh, it smells so good. See, now it's kind of a little like zhuzhed out. That's what you want. You want it to be zhuzhed. And now it's time to curl. I always associated smaller barrels with really tight curls, so I always stayed away from them, and I always got bigger barrel curling irons because I thought bigger barrel means like bigger curls. When Leanne told me that first you need a 1-inch barrel curling iron, I was like, what? That doesn't sound right. It was true, because once I saw the final result, I was like, oh wow, it actually looks way better. So first step, 1-inch barrel curling iron. I have this Hot Tools one, and what you do is you start with 1-inch sections, like 1 inch or so sections. You don't want to curl too much at one time. Grab the curling iron, you try to like get it flat onto the curling iron, like not all bunched up, and you pull it about till there's about 1 inch of hair left at the bottom. You leave that little inch out of the curl, and then you just curl up, and then you hold it for about a few seconds, blah 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 blah, and then you let go. I was initially told to hold it for like 5 seconds, but I have really thick hair, and if I only hold it for 5 seconds, it falls out immediately. And you do it again. You grab the hair, you lay it flat on the curling iron, you pull until there's about 1 inch of hair left at the bottom, and then you curl up. It's so easy, guys. And that's why I like doing my hair this way, because I know what it's gonna look like when I am done, and it's really easy. It usually takes me about 15 minutes to do this. See, gotta do this one over because I think I grabbed too much hair. So there you go. That can happen too. If you grab too much hair, then the curl, like the heat from the curling iron, doesn't disperse throughout your hair as well, and it doesn't give as good of a result. You do have to do smaller sections. to get the curl to hold better. Most of the curls look spirally, but then once you brush through them, they look nice and beachy wavy. My hair is really dark. I love it. I used to be all about like Blasian, blonde Asian, but lately I've been embracing my darker roots. And now brush it out, nice and wavy. There are some pieces that I need to go over. That's kind of redundant. All right, so one more piece and I think we're good to move on to the other side. What I like to do too before I move on to the other side is spray the curls that are done. Just zhuzh them back out. And then I spray them with a texture spray. Spray them with this. It's the texturizing spray from Way. It smells just like the wave spray. But I like this because it adds texture and it's not all crispy, but I like to just spray that on. And now we move to the left side. If I just mimicked the way I did it on the right side, it would look a little something like this. Take my little inch section, lay it flat, and then I would curl it over. But then the way that the curl comes out, I don't like how it looks. It frames your face and not just everything going this way, everything going that way. I feel like you should all go out or all go in. To achieve that type of curl, I have to hold the curling iron like this. While my arms get tired sometimes when I do it this way, I grab my 1-inch section. That's a little too much hair. I lay it flat on the curling iron, but I come in on the top and I do the same thing. I just, there you go. And then let go. And you have a lovely curl. And oftentimes, I have to take an arm break, or I have to like rest my arm on something because my arms get tired when I do this. Ow! That's another thing, I use it on the hottest setting. Again, because I have really thick hair. So yeah, I get burned a lot by my curling iron. Perfect. Now it's time to spray the left side. Oof, got all up in my nose. There you go. That's my wavy look. I also kind of like to do the whole thing to just really get it to look nice and wavy and voluminous, va-va-voom. And this is my wavy go-to look. It's easy. Takes like 15 minutes, it's super quick. If I can do it, you for sure can do it. Yeah, we'll see how this hair does at the event. So as I predicted, my hair is kind of starting to fall out, but I'm actually really shocked at how much they actually stayed. Usually my hair is like flat by now. My event is in about 45 minutes. I'm just gonna touch up my hair, touch up my makeup, and then I'm gonna go. So this is the outfit I'll be wearing to my event today. I'm actually wearing this because they're Revolve clothes and I have to get a photo in them, so, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Right, so I just got to the event. It's for Maui Moisture. So far, my waves are intact. My hair is still curly. We got our drinks. Cheers! recommended some Maui moisture products. So I get this hibiscus water shampoo and conditioner, and it smells really good. I just ordered another drink, and with that I say goodbye. I'm going to turn off my camera now. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you guys, you know, rock the waves, and I'll see you next time.